Is your turnover rate at an all-time high? Right? Are you tired of losing your good, gifted, great staff to burnout? If so, you probably remember seeing your staff that were the good, gifted, great ones. When they first came on, they had that gleam in their eye. They were bright-eyed, bushy-tailed. They came into work with a smile on their face, and their job satisfaction surveys were always top tier. If you've had that staff, and now you look at them and that's not what you see. They come into work and they're downtrodden. Their faces, that smile, that gleam, it's gone. They just appear drained. You're not really sure why? Then join us today. Join us at 11:30 Central Time here on LinkedIn. There's a registration link for Zoom, and I'll see you guys there on the inside where you can get those tickets, those 3 nuggets, those secrets that show you how you can get on top of what's going on with their loss of hope, their reduced resilience, and the fact that retention needs to come back where it shows up and shows out for your company or your healthcare facility. Okay, we'll talk then at 11:30. Talk soon. Later.